Hello my dear family members, today we will start the journey for Cognizant, and in this video we will discuss a coding problem which was asked on previous year. So without any delay, let's get started. So the problem is Mayuri buys n number of products from a shop. The shop offers a different percentage of discount on each item. She wants to know the item that has the minimum discount offer so that she can avoid buying that and save money. Input format. The first input refers to the number of items. The second input is the item name, price and discount percentage separated by comma, right? Assume the minimum discount offer is in the form of integer. Note that there can be more than one product with a minimum discount. So here is the sample input. So the number of items 4 and the product name. This is the price and this is the discount, right? So total 4 items there. Among them, in which we will get lesser value after taking discount, we will take that as output, right? So output is shoe. How I am explaining. Actually, the discount on the mobile is 22,000 and discount on the shoe is 500 and this discount on watch is 900. So the discount on the laptop is 1750. So the discount on the shoe is minimum. That's why the output is shoe, right? If you calculate them, then you will get the values accordingly, right? And in the second sample input, the number of items 4 and product name, values, I mean price and the discount. After taking discount, you will get all similar values. That's why we'll have to print all the values as minimum. I mean all the same. That's why we will take all the values in the output, right? All the product name in the output, right? Okay, let's get started with the coding problem. By the way, before I proceed to the solution, I would request you to please subscribe this channel and watch the playlist regarding Cognizant. If you want to suggest me any content, then please suggest me in the comment section. Okay, let's get started with the solution. So at first, read the number of items as input. So items is equal to input. Then create an empty list to store item information, right? So item list is equal to empty list and then loop to input item details and store them in item list, right? So for I in range items, then item list dot append input dot split, right? We have to take by space separated, right? Okay, now create a list to store the calculated discounts for each item, right? So that's why we will take list 2 as empty list. Now we will calculate the discount for each item and add it to the list 2, right? So for I in item list and discount is equal to int I1 multiply I mean int I2, right? Int I2 and then just divide by 100. This will be fine, right? And now just I dot append the value, I mean the discount, right? Whatever I am doing, I am making you understand. Just be quiet, right? So we will now append the value list in the list 2. So append the I3 value, right? Why I3? Because the discount is at the position of 3, right? Okay, now create an empty list to store items with the minimum discount. So for that, result is equal to empty list. And now find the minimum discount amount by just taking a minimum variable and by min function. List 2, then we will get the minimum value among the list 2. And now loop through the items to find those with the minimum discount, right? So for I in the item list, so if I3 is equal to minimum, then result dot append the I0 value, right? I mean the item name, right? Okay, now just print the items with the minimum discount, right? So for I in result, we will print all the ith value, right? Okay, now I hope this will give proper output. Just let's see if this is giving right or not. So for second input, that is the item total number of item 4 and item name mobile 5010 shoe 5010 watch, sorry, shoe 5010, right? And watch 5010, laptop 5010, and the output is this, right? So this should be the output, right? And for the first input, that is for number of items 4, and then mobile 10,020, shoe 5010, watch 6000, sorry, 6015, and for laptop this is 35,005, right? So let's check. So should be the output and is output. So I hope you got it, right? So what we have done here, so at first, what are we doing? That is, we are appending the input in the item list, like a watch 5010. This is appending in the item list as list, right? So now we are looping through the all element in the item list. So discount is equal to this I1 multiply I2 by 100. So this will be stored in the discount variable, and I dot append discount. So in the I list, we are appending the value discount. Then we are appending the a fourth value in the list too, right? Then whatever we have done, I think you understood this, right? So I hope you understood this. If you have still any problem, then let me know. I will give you explanation in the comment section. And if you want such more content, then please subscribe this channel and watch the playlist regarding Cognizant, and please suggest me on which you want more content. Thank you for today's session.